Meaning of huckleberry.
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 Huckleberry. The word huckleberry refers to a small, sweet berry that grows on a low shrub commonly found in North America. It is often used as an endearing or affectionate term for someone, as in, "You're my huckleberry." The origins of this usage are unclear, but it is believed to have emerged from American slang in the late 19th century. In popular culture, the word gained wider recognition through the character of Doc Holliday in the film Tombstone, who famously says, "I'm your huckleberry," meaning he's up for a challenge.